Hi everyone, please take note of the following disclaimer. Please note that this video is for informational, educational, and entertainment purposes. It does not constitute financial advice. We are not registered financial advisors. Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel and the Monday update for Strategy MSTR, what they did. And it's pretty simple, guys. Last week, it seems like they did not buy any Bitcoin whatsoever. So yeah, I mean, if you go to bitcointreasuries.net, that's pretty much what this article says here. But of course, we know, I follow it basically every Monday. And it's really remained the same at 762.099. So in terms of the sats per share, how much Bitcoin is in each MSTR share hasn't changed. It's still the record high, which is a great thing, 201,695. So yeah, Strategy did not buy any Bitcoin last week. Their stretch or their STRC preferred instrument went to $100, I believe, for one day. Yeah, so it went to $100 only on one day, on Thursday, March 26th. And this website, stretch.live, estimated that they bought 109 Bitcoin. But I guess that information, this is just guessing here. And even today, by the way, on Monday, right now, I'm filming this on 12:49 my time, which is 1:49 EST time. Bitcoin's dipping a little bit to 66.8. So I don't think they announced today that maybe they bought some, because it went over 100 for a little bit, and they bought maybe how much Bitcoin here? To go back to the homepage, 28 Bitcoin, but I don't know. I can't really trust it because this is just an estimate. But anyway, according to this article here, and Saylor kind of hinted to it when I saw Sundays, because he does he posts an X typically every Sunday to give you kind of a hint on what's going to be announced Monday. So the fact that he says it's time to put the laser eyes back on, to me, it signals that either he didn't buy a lot or he didn't buy anything at all, but maybe that he's ramping up, or that they're thinking about buying a lot this week. We know that they recently announced a humongous 42 billion capital raising program, right? Half of it for STRC, half of it for the common stock MSTR. So I don't know exactly how they're going to deploy all this money to buy all this Bitcoin. I'm assuming it's going to be gradually. I think they're going to do it in the smartest way possible. These are smart people that understand how leverage works, and I trust them 100% as a MSTR shareholder. This is why I buy MSTR instead of Bitcoin, and why I had even swapped my Bitcoin into more MSTR and HBTE a few weeks ago, because I trust that they know what they're doing. So I still think, to be honest, MSTR is hugely undervalued. You see that the value of their Bitcoin at the current price is worth just under 51 billion. Plus they have another 2 billion in cash, and their whole company is worth under 43 billion. So there's a huge discount. In my opinion, it's very, very undervalued. So nothing's going to stop my routine. I'm just going to keep buying about $2,500 every single week of MSTE, which is basically MSTR with covered calls and 25% leverage by Harvest ETFs. The best equivalent, in my opinion, on the US, if you're American watching this, it would be the REX shares. It would be the MSII, which has a very, very similar covered call strategy and leverage strategy as MSTE. To me, it's personally my favorite strategy, right? Cover calls, not too much though, and a little bit of leverage. So we'll see what happens this week. But basically, yeah, that's all there is to report. BitcoinTreasuries.net. There's always new articles coming out. You see more and more. There's always new stuff coming out. There's a lot of bullish stuff coming out. The Morgan Stanley's ETF is about to launch. That's a big one. There's other stuff as well. Marathon had sold a lot of their Bitcoin to buy back some debt or something. So for them, it was well worth it. That's why the BTC held by public companies dropped a little bit to 1.16. It was 1.18. So you see it here. Marathon dropped. Now, Jack, what's his name? I forgot his name. That young kid. Well, he looks young. 21 Capital is now number 2. Marathon is number 3. Eric Trump's company, American Standard. They're at 7,000. They bought a little bit more. There's even the news. This is just entertainment for me. GameStop pledged their almost all their Bitcoin, pretty much all their Bitcoin except for one, in a Coinbase covered call strategy. So there's all kinds of, this is just entertainment for me. I think it's fun. It's really the only fun that I have in my investing here, because everything else is pretty boring. But I think, the news that I've seen is that Bitcoin is remaining relatively strong. This just gives you more confidence, because last week strategy didn't buy anything and Bitcoin stayed relatively strong versus the market, versus gold. I think it's in the last couple of weeks they're saying it outperformed gold in the markets, but I don't really care about a couple of weeks. But anyway, that's it for the update Mondays for this week, and we'll see what happens. I'm gonna probably buy my $2,500. I don't know when, but probably Tuesday, Wednesday. We'll see what happens. But it really seems like all eyes are on this Iran war, and until that's over, there's gonna be some volatility in the market, which is perfect for us covered call income investors, right? So hopefully a couple more weeks, so less than 2 weeks for the April dividend. So hopefully the volatility continues, and we could get some cheap shares in the next couple of weeks. So that's it, everyone. Take care and see you next week.